Hi, I'm Jessica, and welcome to Learn English with Jessica. Want to boost your vocabulary, improve your listening, and speak English naturally? You're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore powerful learning tips to help you understand and use English with ease.
Excuse me.
Hello, madam. Welcome to Fresh Mart. How can I help you today?
I have a problem with these products. I bought them this morning. Here, this milk and this chicken are expired. They expired 2 days ago.
Yes, you're right. The milk expired 2 days ago, and the chicken too. I am very sorry about this. This should not happen. Can I check your receipt, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me see. Yes, it shows you bought them this morning.
I bought them only 3 hours ago. I was in a hurry, so I didn't check. When I got home, I wanted to cook dinner for my kids. Then I saw the dates. I had to drive back here, and I feel very upset because it took time and made my dinner late. My children are waiting at home. I plan to make dinner soon. Now everything is late because I had to come back.
I understand your feeling. Sometimes our staff may miss something when checking the shelves, but it is still our mistake.
You should check more carefully.
Yes, I am very sorry. I will report this to the food team. They will check all the dates again.
I hope this doesn't happen again. It's very stressful.
I understand. Thank you for coming back to tell us. Do you want a refund or new products?
I want new products. I still need milk and chicken for dinner tonight.
Of course. I will call the food team right now. Hello? Can someone bring 1 fresh carton of milk and 1 fresh pack of chicken to the customer service desk? And please check the shelves for expired products. Thank you. While we wait, may I ask what you plan to cook tonight?
Just something simple. Maybe chicken soup for my kids.
That sounds nice. Your kids will love it. And thank you for coming back to fix this problem. Many people leave without saying anything and give the supermarket a 1-star review. But you came back and gave us a chance to fix our mistake. I really appreciate that.
Well, I don't want this problem to happen again, so I tell you.
That is really good for us. Again, I'm sorry this happened.
Here are the fresh products we checked carefully.
Thank you. Here you go, madam. Fresh milk and fresh chicken. And as an apology, this is a discount coupon for your next shopping trip.
That's very kind.
We thank you for understanding. If you have any other problems in the future, please let us know.
I will. Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome, madam. Have a good evening, and I hope your dinner goes well.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Expired. Definition: no longer good to use because the date has passed.
And you're here on an expired visa?
Maybe this is a bad time to mention this, but my license is expired.
I don't know, I think the ice cream in the break room was expired.
Your tags are expired.
Here, this milk and this chicken are expired. They expired 2 days ago.
Receipt. Definition: a piece of paper that shows you paid for something.
I know, because the receipt was still inside.
That receipt shows I bought a ticket though, right?
I better sign in and get a receipt.
Can I please have my receipt?
Can I check your receipt, please? In a hurry. Definition: doing something quickly because you don't have much time.
Or maybe she just left in a hurry.
Guess someone's in a hurry to get on with the evening.
Looks like someone left in a hurry, huh?
I was in a hurry to do big things, make big mistakes.
I bought them only 3 hours ago. I was in a hurry, so I didn't check.
Refund. Definition: money that is given back to you when you return a product.
Needless to say, I got a full cash refund.
I wonder if we can get a refund for our last day.
I'd like a refund for this silly piece of hot air they're calling the picture.
So then, will you be wanting a refund or a replacement?
Do you want a refund or new products? Customer service. Definition: the help a company gives to customers when they have questions or problems.
You really went above and beyond the normal customer service for our order.
I've worked in customer service for a long time.
If you go right over to customer service, they can help you.
Look for the nearest Walmart representative and ask them to bring you to customer service.
Hello? Can someone bring one fresh carton of milk and one fresh pack of chicken to the customer service desk?
Excuse me. I have a problem with these products. I bought them this morning. Here, this milk and this chicken are expired. They expired 2 days ago. Yes, here it is. I bought them only 3 hours ago. I was in a hurry, so I didn't check. When I got home, I wanted to cook dinner for my kids. Then I saw the dates. I had to drive back here, and I feel very upset because it took time and made my dinner late. My children are waiting at home. I plan to make dinner soon. Now everything is late because I had to come back. You should check more carefully. I hope this doesn't happen again. It's very stressful. I want new products. I still need milk and chicken for dinner tonight. Just something simple. Maybe chicken soup for my kids. Well, I don't want this problem to happen again, so I tell you.
Here are the fresh products we checked carefully.
That's very kind. I will. Thank you for helping me today. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Hello, madam. Welcome to Fresh Mart. How can I help you today? Yes, you're right. The milk expired 2 days ago, and the chicken too. I am very sorry about this. This should not happen. Can I check your receipt, please? Thank you. Let me see. Yes, it shows you bought them this morning. I understand your feeling. Sometimes our staff may miss something when checking the shelves, but it is still our mistake. Yes, I am very sorry. I will report this to the food team. They will check all the dates again. I understand. Thank you for coming back to tell us. Do you want a refund or new products? Of course. I will call the food team right now. Hello? Can someone bring one fresh carton of milk and one fresh pack of chicken to the customer service desk? And please check the shelves for expired products. Thank you. While we wait, may I ask what you plan to cook tonight? That sounds nice. Your kids will love it. And thank you for coming back to fix this problem. Many people leave without saying anything and give the supermarket a 1-star review. But you came back and gave us a chance to fix our mistake. I really appreciate that. That is really good for us. Again, I'm sorry this happened.
Here are the fresh products we checked carefully.
Thank you. Here you go, madam. Fresh milk and fresh chicken. And as an apology, this is a discount coupon for your next shopping trip. We thank you for understanding. If you have any other problems in the future, please let us know. You're welcome, madam. Have a good evening, and I hope your dinner goes well. Question 1. Did Karen buy the milk and chicken this morning? Yes, she did. Question 2. What problem does Karen have with the products? They are expired. Question 3. Did Karen check the products before she left the supermarket? No, she didn't. Question 4. What will the food team do after Michael reports the problem? They will check all the dates again. Question 5. What does Karen choose? A refund or new products? She chooses new products. Question 6. Does Michael call the food team to bring new items? Yes, he does. Question 7. What does Karen plan to cook tonight? Chicken soup. Question 8. Why does Michael say, "I really appreciate that"? Because Karen tells them the problem. Question 9. Why does Michael give Karen a discount coupon? Because it's an apology. Question 10. Did the staff check the new products carefully? Yes, they did.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.